Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my solar install by Energy Advantage. Well, I come from Arizona, and so where the beautiful sunny state is, we had solar back then. Moved here about 2 years ago and was contemplating it, but had the concerns that we didn't have enough sun. Once I found about Energy Advantage to help offset my electric bill with combination of the hot summers in the AC, my wood shop company, and all the other things, I reached out to Energy Advantage in order to help me with that problem. After Sean came out and talked me through about what my energy needs were, I have noticed within the first couple of months, I think basically not only did I produce enough energy to help my run what I need in the house, but I gave back more, if not equivalent of what one house ends up doing in a month. But at the first couple of months in the install, I gave back to Excel almost on average what one average household would give. I had a colleague that came out who we had a couple conversations about electric vehicles and the incentives for that, and he was over playing pool one night and mentioned he pulled the trigger on solar. Reached out to Energy Advantage, and this was a guy who has done his research, so I trusted him. I reached out to Energy Advantage almost immediately. It was a Sunday. I said, hey, I'm interested. And within the afternoon, Sean came out and talked to me about what the company can offer, the benefits of it being local, and he talked to me exactly what I needed to hear in order to get it done that day. As I already mentioned, the fact that they were both prompt and able to answer all of my questions, because my big concern was actually getting that $0 energy bill. And I never saw that in Arizona. He explained why that was the case, and showed me the numbers to actually make sense that outside of, there is no guarantees in life. He basically showed me why I didn't get that zero and why it's going to be the difference here. So I got that personable touch. I wasn't just treated like an average customer trying to get a sales commission. And every step of the way, Energy Advantage has been there to help me through. Is there anything higher than a 10? I haven't had a single issue, even when there has been a couple of snowstorms. Mike came out, noticed that the grid was down even without me realizing it, and scheduled something without me even noticing. So I didn't even bother or manage, so I felt taken care of. I mean, the one big thing that did allure me initially was, again, that we're local. And I guess the big advantage I have is not just are they there when you need them, but you also need, they're also there when you need them. They fix it and they treat you. Again, it's a very personal experience. Other companies I didn't feel would give that. What did you say that you wanted to do with your birthday money initially? I know we're going to change it, but what did you say you want to do birthday money? What did you want to donate it for? Remember?
To save trees.
Yeah, to save trees. And do you know, what did I tell you about our solar? What do we do with solar? What are we basically doing with the energy we produce? Remember? Is it basically like planting trees and saving the world? And that's why you like it? Yeah.
Oh, pretty cool.
Yeah, huh?
That's awesome. Oh, that's awesome, Justin.
Just like ended the rest of the shoot over there. I'm like, yeah, that was his way of telling me we don't need you. Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my solar install for Energy Advantage.
Nice.
Cool.
Okay, you want to do it one more time and just say
Bye,
bye,
Energy.
energy.
Oh, bye.
Yeah.
See, I told you. I'm
You're
fantastic. Where's my check?
That's right. You know what?
I'm just joking.
Yeah, let's get.
Remember, he's got a face for radio.
Yeah. Let me see your face, young man.
Beautiful. It's a beautiful
Right
face.